the Forex X Code Indicator, which has been provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying buy and sell signals on the price chart. Traders can use the Forex X Code Indicator to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. And based on the buy and sell signals, they can enter buy or sell trades in the market. Additionally, we can use the drawn line as a trailing stop and place our stop loss behind the lines. At the top right, there is a panel that clearly shows us whether the trend is currently bullish or bearish, and at the end of this panel, the latest trading signal is displayed here. As of now, we are in a bullish trend, and the most recent signal that has been generated for us is a buy signal. In the settings section, under the Input tab, there are 3 options available to us. In the first section, we can change the calculation period of the indicator. If we increase the value in this section, it will identify longer-term signals and show us fewer trend changes. Conversely, if we decrease this value, it will display more signals and identify shorter-term trends. In the next section, we can set the stop loss size. In the alert that is generated for us for the sell and buy signals, the stop loss is specifically specified in that section. Here, we can set the initial stop loss value in points. In the next section, we can also enable or disable the alert function, which when triggered, displays the entry price and the stop loss value for us. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you shared your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.